Hello, my name is Chris Scales. I'm the Division Director for Cultural Recreation and Community Connections with Neighborhood and Community Services. I provide oversight to our SAC program as well as our Beyond the Bell pilot program. I really appreciate you taking time out of your day to review this video and PowerPoint to find out more about the Beyond the Bell pilot program. We're very excited to bring this to you. The Beyond the Bell program came about as we started to hear from parents, elected officials, and many others about the high demand for before and after care and the long wait list. Parents not being able to access the child care was presenting a huge problem, and the wait list was only getting longer as changes around us, as folks returned to work with the federal government and other challenges that came about. So, in understanding that, we set out for a goal of how do we reduce the wait list. And as we talked about strategies, we wanted to make sure that we maintained a safe and supportive and enriching environment while providing child care to more families that really do need it. The solution we came up with was the Beyond the Bell program at 20 schools. As we talked about the Beyond the Bell program with the 20 schools, the identification of the schools was very important. We looked at the current SAC waitlist numbers. We looked at the vulnerability index numbers. We looked at Title I designations, and we looked at the percentage of students eligible for free and reduced lunch. As part of those calculations, we identified the 20 schools. We wanted to make sure that we had a good representation of schools. So as you can see, the schools were across Fairfax County and across and including every magisterial district. So we had a good take of schools to make sure that we had a good accounting for when we review of how these programs changes will work across the county. So what is Beyond the Bell? The Beyond the Bell program is the Virginia Department of Education licensure exempt child care model. The key features of this model is the before and after school child care. We have a new staffing model, so we're going from a 1 to 18 ratio to a 1 to 22 ratio, which is still well below FCPS elementary school ratios. And we're working with FCPS to expand program services and make sure that we have enough space to accommodate the new influx of kids. Fairfax County Public Schools has been a great partner in this and has been supportive of us identifying and locating space. So the spaces that we currently operate in, if we need more, we are working with the principals to make sure we have the additional space that is needed and required to have a successful and safe program. The school-age curriculum-based program will still exist, like at SAC. Will still support social and emotional learning and positive youth outcomes. Beyond the Bell pilot timeline. August 2025, the program was announced. From August to September, we did family engagement meetings. With those family engagement meetings, we did 2 in person and 3 virtual at different times of the day to make sure that we could accommodate family schedules that wanted to find out more about the program. On October 1st, Beyond the Bell will begin. It will begin for SAC students at those pilot locations. From October to December, waitlist students will begin to filter into the program. We will do a rolling admission. It is not our desire to put a lot of kids in at one time. As I said before, we want to make sure that we're doing this safely. So we'll be rolling in kids throughout that time period. From October 2025 to June 26, we'll be engaging families and giving them opportunities to provide feedback on how the program is going. June 2026, the Beyond the Bell program will end, and we will evaluate that with the parents and families as well as staff evaluations. As I said before, maintaining safety and quality is our commitment, and it was our forethought when we went to make sure that we wanted to get this program started. We wanted to make sure that those things were kind of kept in the front of our minds. So our staff qualifications and training and background checks will all remain the same as previously with SAC. To support this initiative and understanding we needed more staff, we are able to move 26 positions that were previously positions that did not offer benefits. We moved those positions now to benefits eligible positions to hopefully attract additional staff to be able to support the new kids that we'll be bringing into the program. Our emergency procedures and health and safety protocols will all remain the same. None of those will change. And our commitment to nurturing an inclusive environment stays the same. We will still have field trips, snacks, program supplies. All those things will be done in accordance with previous licensure requirements. Child and health and safety remains a priority, and so we will be doing periodic quality assurance reviews and assessments. For program enrollment, if your child is currently enrolled, no further action is required. Current SAC students will automatically transition from SAC to Beyond the Bell. Beyond the Bell will use the same sliding fee structure as SAC, so there is no change in cost. For waitlisted children, families should review their SAC account and update the waitlist to reflect your current needs. NCS will begin reaching out to waitlisted families in late September, and spots will be offered as they become available. Beyond the Bell will use the same sliding fee structure as SAC, and the costs are the same. If your child is not enrolled or on a wait list, please call 703 449 8989, TTY 711, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. To access your account, you can use the QR code on the screen, or you can call us Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m., 703 449 8989, TTY 711. If you have more questions, you can use the QR code that goes to our public input page, and we will respond to your questions in that format. I want to thank you again for taking time to view our video and find out more about the program. Thanks a lot.